Hi, my name is Anne Holmok and I'm the women's soccer coach at Alfred State College. In the 14 years I've been here, we've had success at all levels. Some of the highlights that we've had is traveling to North Carolina and Virginia for playoffs and for winning a conference championship just 2 years ago down in Pennsylvania. The things I look for in a player are passion for the game, a work ethic that doesn't quit, and somebody who wants to play and be the best they can be and do anything it takes to get to that level. We have a great family here. I'd be very interested in talking with you. I would love to know more about you as a player, what you're looking for as college and your college experience on the playing field. So if you want to talk to me, I'd love to talk to you. Call me, email me, my information's on the website. I look forward to chatting with you. Thanks.